Hello, good morning. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Today, let us talk about unemployment among the educated Indians, because it has been seen that unemployment is more among the educated Indians. For example, see the educated Indians, that is graduates, we are having unemployment 14.73. Just educated means till 10th, 12th, they are 1.13. Illiterate, among them unemployment is just 0.5%. It means unemployment is more among the educated Indians. Then let us see what is the reason for this. Whether our degrees are of no use, even after getting the degrees, if the people are not getting the jobs, then is it whether our education system is not that much capable of giving them the employments? I feel to some extent it is correct, because the educational system which we are following even today, it's old system. No advanced technology is used, because what was taught in the colleges about 30-40 years back, the same portion is taught even today. I think it should be changed. Many times even we see that it is not only unemployment, it is even underemployment. Overqualified people work for the lesser jobs. For example, even when you are having the advertisements for peons and all, you are having degree holders, post-graduation holders, you can see all of them. And moreover, what happens is, in some of the states, you don't have the developed economies, or you don't have that much factories, industries, or the sectors where they can get employment, especially like Bihar, Jharkhand and all. The people have to come to other developed states. And moreover, what we can see is, many of our youngsters, they never think that they can become job creators instead of job seekers. Yes, they can become job creators instead of job seekers. Even yet, is it so easy for them to become that? No, never. Because so many things, procedures they have to undergo, and capital investment also is more, so they won't be able to do that. And moreover, as I told you, India is an agricultural country. 45% of our population even today is depending on agriculture. So the workers in rural areas, they usually go to the cities to get the jobs. Why? Because they want white collar jobs. They don't want to work in the fields. No doubt, to some extent, we can see the change. But yet, it is a serious problem which all of us should deal with, because the population of the country, the younger population, that is from 15 to 60, I can say, which are the backbones of the country, if they are unemployed, if they don't have jobs, then what will be the future of the country? No doubt there is increase in the GDP. Though there is increase in the GDP, our jobs are not at all increasing. Moreover, in India, there is a craze for government jobs, because in government jobs you are having permanency. That is why many of our youngsters waste their precious years in preparing for these government jobs. Many of them, after 10 to 12 years of struggle, have to come back and then they will do something. You may say, even we are having now MBA Chaiwala or B.Tech Vadawala and all this. Whether you feel that it is their passion, that is why they started that? No, it is not the thing, because they didn't get the jobs and that is why they started it, and in due course they flourished in that, and that is why they might have continued it. That is what I feel. So, if we look at the youngsters today, they are really not in good condition, because they are educated. Though they are educated, they don't have good jobs, or they don't get jobs. Many of them, they don't feel like do any other job which they feel which is below their education level. That is why they remain unemployed. And naturally, what happens? You are knowing the real working hands of the country remain without work in their hands, and it is a great problem. And even they feel it is a social stigma to do any job below their educational qualification. They don't understand that to come up you should start from the bottom. From then you can come up. Many of our youngsters feel that no, according to their educational qualification, they should get the highest job. Even this understanding, this thinking should be changed. From the bottom, step by step, you can go up. These things our youngsters should understand. So what we should do today? We, along with the government, we should create many job opportunities for the youngsters. It is not just give them allowances of unemployed allowances or give money for this and that. No, it is not the solution. Don't give them a fish. Teach them how to fish. Let them get a job and let them earn. Just giving the allowance for the unemployed is not going to solve our problem at all. On the other hand, it will increase the problems because many of the youngsters may feel that what is there? Sitting at home, I am getting money. Then why I should work? So their talent will be wasted. So even politicians and everyone should understand that we should not give any allowances. Instead of that, we should give them jobs and let them on their own. We should teach everyone how to fish. Don't give a fish. I think you all agree with me. Have a good day.